We're back on the air. This is Radio Entrepreneurs. My name is Jeffrey Davis. I'm the host of the show, also chairman of the board, CEO of Mage LLC. And I'm here again at the lovely offices in the Prudential Center of Tarlow, Hart Rodgers, the law firm. And my co-host, that means, is Mark Furman. Hi, Mark.
Hi, Jeff. Great to be with you.
Thank you very much. You know, I'm a big fan of the Wagner Law Group, and last week we were able to go visit them, Radio Entrepreneurs, and I also got to talk with David Gabor. David was just an outstanding person to talk with, and we were so excited being with him, we asked him to come back again. David, what's the topic this week, and welcome.
Actually, well, thank you very much. And I had fun last week talking about the issues in the wage and hour world in employment law. And I wanted to talk more with you about the changes at the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission and the EEO-1s. And the reason I want to talk about it, and now is a very good time, is because it's going to be a huge challenge for companies to get ready for filing the revised EEO-1 form, which, although it's not until March of 2018, is going to take at least a year or so for companies to get ready.
What's that form?
The EEO-1 form is a form that companies that have 100 or more employees or companies involved in government contracts with 50 or more employees have to file on an annual basis. The way it's done right now is the form just collects census information and it's due in September each year. The new form coming out in March 2018 has two new components. One is pay data, and the second is information regarding the number of hours worked by people broken down into different categories. And the big difference is instead of 220 different boxes, the new form has 3,600, and it can be used by the EEOC to target companies where there's pay disparities. So here's a challenge. If you wait until 2018 to work on it, you don't have a chance to see whether your company has any kind of pay disparities based upon gender, race, and ethnicity. So you really need to start early. The second part of the problem is most of my clients are busy. Comes January, February, March, they're working on comp cycles. In November, December, they're rolling out their health plans. So if they wait until the fall of 2017 and they try to do this at the same time that they're dealing with health insurance and the comp cycles, it's going to be a disaster. So what I'm asking and urging companies to do is get your pay data in January this year. Get through your comp cycle and then make a priority for March or April to do a mock EEO-1. You can get the revised form, take the information, do a mock form, and number one, see how long it's going to take. Number two, see whether you've got the resources in-house to do it or you need to bring in a vendor. And then three, have an expert study those forms to see whether you've got a disparity, and then you can start to figure out how to correct that disparity.